ass fat. 40-inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel toe fat, you can see it from the back.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a beginner-friendly wig install. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. AliExpress iSEE hair. Lashes, their contact information, wig cap, five-star rating, and their contact information, the type of hair that they have. This hair is really soft. Little bit of shedding. Elastic band. You could take the elastic band out and adjust it to your head size. They use zigzag scissors to cut the lace. They have their brand on the back. Malaysian straight glueless lace front human hair 100% HD lace closure wig, ready to go, pre-cut to lace. I got it in the length 24 inches. The price is $133.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride all night,
working in the middle.
sunlight. I wanna
All night, working in the middle.
sunlight.
Working in the middle. Ooh, baby,
do you remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what? You, what we've been through, I miss you, and you can't lie, you miss me too. If I roll through, put you in the mood, it could be just me and you, 'cause baby you missed the stroke. Let me know when you're alone,
And we can ride the boogie.
baby you missed the stroke. Just call and I'll come back to you.
Gotta feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna
till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna play deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep, then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my.
I love this hair, 10 out of 10. I definitely love how it came pre-plucked, for real, for real. The length looks 16 inches. It doesn't look 24 inches. I love how silky this hair is. You didn't have to straighten it. The only thing I did was spray lace tint spray on it and flatten the top of the wig so it could be more natural looking. Hair companies, if you're watching this, I need you to step your game up with the other wigs.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna
ride the work it in the middle.
I wanna
Ride the work it in the middle. Work it in the middle.
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, 'cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit.